Meanwhile, Malacanang says there is nothing wrong with Presidential Sisters being among the contributors to the campaign fund of the Akbayan Party List Group in the 2010 national elections. Based on the statement of election contributions and expenditures filed by Akbayan, 14 million pesos of the 112 million pesos it received in campaign contributions came from 3 Presidential Sisters. Chris Aquino was listed to be the biggest contributor with 10 million pesos, and Balsi Aquino Cruz and Victoria Aquino D with 2 million pesos each. According to Secretary Lacerda, being private citizens, the Aquino sisters were free to support any group that pushes for programs against poverty and corruption.
Hindi lang naman po ang mga kapatid ang nagsusuporta sa Akbayan. Marami rin mga taong nagsusuporta sa mga adhikain po ng sarili-sarili mga grupo po yan eh. So it should not come as a surprise, being private citizens, that they choose to support groups which are supportive of the advocacies of the President.